Welcome to Season 2, Episode 13 of PlaneSavers! Hello everybody, holy smokes. I've hadn't put up a video in a long time. This is probably like the longest stretch I haven't did a PlaneSavers video, and the answer is I'm super busy. In fact, I'm still making the episode that you guys have been watching right now. I'm so far behind on a lot of stuff, and the reason is it's been super busy at Buffalo Airways, and it's taking priority right now. I do have a lot of things to catch up on. Some stuff that's not going to be in the episode today. I got some cool stuff, man. Check this out. These two things. What are these things here? I got, oh yeah, Sean Bond, your Bruce Dickinson book. I have it safe. We're going to be sending that to you right away. You had some special requests. We're filling that out. So Sean, book's coming soon. But today's episode, we're going to go see the progress of what we are doing with the DR1, the Fokker DR1. And I got Dave Jackson sent me a DVD. Yes, I actually had to go buy a DVD drive. And I got some Super 8 footage that I'm going to be showing you, some lost Super 8 footage at the towards the end of the episode. So check that out. And yeah, so where have I been? Well, I've been right here in this very seat, not making videos, but actually making charter quotes and stuff for the airline. So all that said, let's just get into it. Check this out. Folks, CUE is taking off to Red Deer, and Benjamin, Stella, and I have a little bit of a plan. Okay, my father's gone, folks. I'm not making this up. Okay, we actually had this room here in the hangar, and it is being rented out. And the people that are renting out have now moved, and it's empty. I haven't asked my father if we could use this room, but I think it's perfect for the restoration of the Fokker. So I got to go back to work. But Benjamin is going to start taking over this room, and we're going to hopefully steal this room. Dad, if you're watching this, I'm not making this up. This will be the first time you've seen this. But we're going to turn this room into the PlaneSaver room. If we get kicked out, we get kicked out, but hopefully we don't. So check this out. Benjamin.
Hello.
So here we got the room so far. It's empty, but our job will be to film it. Oh, it's really echoey in here too. We might have to put up some posters and stuff, get that echo down. So Benjamin, tell us what we have here.
So right now we have all the pieces that were in the crate that Ronnie brought. So we did, like we explained in another video, we did strip everything for the fuselage. And now that's like all in the assembly, in the fact that, let's say here over there, let's go over there first. Here's the gear assembly, like all the components for the gearing itself. So we have like the two wheels, the bungee cords for the suspension, the axle that's broken down, we'll have to make a new one, the struts, the spar tube of the fourth wing, and things like that. So we got all of this, the other ones, we got the seats, the seat components, some parts of the spars for the wings, which is going to be helpful to as a guide, as a template, you're going to be able to copy, and some pieces of the firewall. And although there's some of them that are broken down, we'll be able to use them as templates.
Sounds good. So the layman terms, everything's kind of laid out what the airplane is. You know, the tail section, the fuselage section, some of the wing stuff over there, of course the gear, engine stuff over there. Okay, speaking of the engine, when it comes to the big money, the big money things of this airplane are going to be from here to here. 90% of the cost of the airplane is going to be right here, which is going to be the engine, the Jacobs 755, the handmade prop, and then of course all the accessories, all that stuff. Everything else is kind of here already. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at right now. Benjamin is actually leaving to go home to Montreal. It's for Thanksgiving. So in Canada, we have Thanksgiving early, and in the States, Thanksgiving normally falls on my birthday, which is November 27th. We still got our woodworking area, which we're waiting on the jigs from E&A.
Yeah.
So once those go good, Stella and Benjamin, the reason why it hasn't been too many episodes is that they've been doing really, really boring stuff. You see this stuff here, all this wood, it all comes kind of burred. You can see it's rough around the edges. And that, what kind of machine did you guys cut it with?
With the CNC router.
So a CNC router cut these out, and then they have to take Scotch-Brite, and it comes out amazing. Hey, show me that, what you showed me with putting the piece on the blueprint.
Yeah, for sure.
So this is the Tony Stark here, Benjamin, how closely he can match the part to the Sans blueprint that we're running here. So what do we have here? We got the wing the wing rib.
Yeah, the wing rib, exactly, the most common one. So we have like the two stacks right there of the most common ribs. So this one goes right there. I'll take apart to show precisely. And this one here goes right there. So those are the two most parts we have right now. So if, let's say I take one of those are the nose webs. It should align itself perfectly with the lines and the holes right there.
So as you can see, folks, it's perfect. And that's,
Yes.
how much time would that save using the router?
Probably weeks. Just like doing, it's either with a bandsaw or a jigsaw. All the holes, just the holes would be really, really long to do with a jigsaw. Yeah, weeks, maybe months too. We saved so much time. I mean, in 1 week, everything was done. Every day, like for sure there was preparation with computer and stuff, but we're coming winners with that for sure.
Okay, so have a good time in Montreal.
Thank you very much.
So we're actually ahead right now. I do have, for the diehard PlaneSavers fans that made it this far in the video, I have some awesome Super 8 footage that was sent to me. And check this out right now. This is very cool. Very reminiscent of some of the stuff I was filming this morning with CUE. Check it out. Well, folks, that is the episode. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We got the Electra over there enhancing the audio. As you can see, there's no airplanes here. Everything is gone. Everything is busy. Actually, kind of lying. There's 2 King Airs right here, but you know, when you control the camera, you can control perspective. So thank you, Dave, for sending that Super 8 footage. Do you know Super 8 footage actually doesn't have any sound? There's no sound on film. So I had to build all that sound, not only the music, but the sound effects and all that nice little risers and whooshes and everything. So if you knew that, let me know. But if you didn't know, most of that sound was built from my cell phone. Actually, all this noise, you can see that Dash 7, old school Dash 7 ruining the audio or enhancing the audio. So all that audio enhancing I used on my cell phone to make the sounds in that Super 8 footage. So again, here's PlaneSavers. I'll do my best to get more episodes out soon, especially when the Fokker gets going. We're going to be doing dailies. We're going to go crazy. I've been on the phone. I got a big, possibly a big sponsor on the line, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I'll be filling you guys in more later. Thank you for sticking with us. Thank you for hanging out, and we'll be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.